What's up, good people? This is Anthony Deloach, and I'm back with another crypto investing review and tutorial. And today, guys, I'm giving you all an update on Tron King. That's right, the Tron King Smart Contract. Man, this thing right here is going absolutely phenomenal, and I'm excited about it. Now, before I jump right into it, I do want you to go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I drop a new crypto investing review or tutorial. All right, guys, let's get right into it. Tron King, man, I didn't know how this thing was going to work out. At the beginning, I had high hopes for it, but let me tell you, it has been going absolutely phenomenal. Michael and Braden have done their thing. They've thought of almost everything that needed to be in place with this smart contract to make sure that it performs the way that it is supposed to. And so far, guys, I like what I see. Now, Tron King is giving you an opportunity to earn a return on your investment every single day, right? Now, this smart contract starts at 1% and goes up, right? And so right now I'm sitting at 2%. I'm earning 2% every single day. Now, think about this, guys. Some people say, oh, it's 2%. 2% a day is really, really nice. 7 days a week. That means that you're getting 60% in a month pretty much, right? So every 24 hours, you're earning 2%, 60% in a month. You can't really top that, right? That's absolutely incredible, and I like this so far, right? Now, the thing that you always have to worry about with a smart contract is, will the balance hold up, right? Will the balance continue to grow? Will it continue to hold up? Will it be sustainable? That's what we're worried about. So what I like to do is to go ahead and take a look at the smart contract, right? And what I like to look at specifically is the balance and what the balance trend looks like. Now, one thing that I can tell you, that this smart contract has gotten up to 7 million Tron, over 7 million Tron in this smart contract so far. Now, with a starting balance of 500 Tron, this is incredible. Anybody can get involved with this smart contract. Was just starting with 500 Tron. And so I really like that. It's accessible to the average person. Okay, now let's take a look at this, and I'm going to look at the analysis of the balance. Okay, let's see what this balance looks like. Guys, look at this increase. From the very beginning, this thing has been increasing. You see how this is working? Guys, this is the way it's supposed to look, right? This is the way it's supposed to look. And I like this. Is like over in a month's time, right? A little over a month, this thing has gotten up to 7 million Tron. This is really nice, guys. We may see some real long-term performance out of this, which will make a lot of people a lot of money through Tron, right? And so I'm excited about this. The Tron Smart contracts are really nice. The problem is that the ROI contracts world got crazy. The Tron Smart contract ROI world got crazy. I'm telling you, they had smart contracts, and there still are a lot of them coming up like every other day. Smart contracts. Well, Michael and Braden, they put their brains together with some other developers and people, and they put together one that has a true ecosystem, which is one of the things that help in it. They have a great community. They have integrity, and that's what I like about this one, right? I'm working on some things, guys. I'm trying to get them onto the interview for the channel, right? I'm trying to get them onto an interview channel. We're working out some things, but hopefully you will see that coming very soon. I think that'll be very enlightening for a lot of people. As a matter of fact, that's going to be part of my podcast series. I got some videos and some podcast episodes I already got recorded, so I'm looking forward to launching that. So I want you guys to stay tuned to the podcast, right? And if you guys want to go ahead and get the early access to the podcast when it comes out, I'm going to drop a link in the description so that you guys can go ahead and sign up to get early access to the podcast when it comes out, because we're going to be talking to some top income earners. Not only that, but also some company CEOs and things like that. We're going to put the right people out there in front of you so that you can hear from them and you can see where their heart is, where you really can make a good decision about whether you want to get involved with the program or not, guys. So I'm excited about that. hopefully you all are excited about this as well. If you are interested in checking out Tron King for yourself, I'm going to drop the link in the description. I'll also pin it in the first comment, right, so that you all can check that out. But also, you know, if you have questions or anything, you can reach out to me in my email. Give me some time to respond because my email is booming, right? So give me some time to respond, but I'll try to reach out to you as soon as possible. As always, guys, you know what we're going to do. You know my motto. We're going to invest wisely. We're going to invest well. We will only invest what we are willing to lose, but you know we're investing for the opportunity to win. Until the next video, guys, I hope you have an absolutely phenomenal day, and I am out.